Lots of people struggle with the decision on whether to outsource or insource their computer room or data centre. If you're thinking of moving into a co-location data centre, here are some of the things that we think you should be considering. You might be worrying about the loss of control of your data, but this needn't be the case. You're always in control of your data because you're paying somebody to protect it. And talking of cost, do you know the real cost of running your computer room or data centre? The typical data centre might cost 20 grand a year in real estate, but for the power, it might cost up to 60 grand. If you select your data centre operator carefully, not only will your cost be lower, but they should be transparent too. You should know exactly what you're getting for your money. So, your data is important to you. It should be as important to the data centre provider that you ultimately end up with. And that's why security is such an important issue. Let's face it, electronic data is crucial. It's the crown jewels of any business. Loss of data is always problematic and often catastrophic. But you know, the fears of placing that data outside of the four walls of your own business are frankly misplaced. A well-designed and well-run data centre will offer you much higher levels of security than it's possible to achieve yourself. So, what exactly should you be looking for in a data centre provider? Well, here's our advice. The security should be multi-layered. It should include the perimeter, the building and the data centre itself, and should be electronic and biometric. Any data centre worth considering should have its own in-house team, and that includes not just the IT staff, but also the engineers. You should be selecting a data centre that offers you scalability and flexibility. That means the ability to increase or decrease the amount of rack space you're using when you need to and how you need to. Don't get tied into a contract that offers you no room for manoeuvre. Your data centre should be ready for you to move into right away. Don't get caught by an operator that's still got to build, or worse, an operator that's built part, you move in, and then you find yourself at a building site in the second phase. Connectivity should be important to you. Make sure that your data centre provider can offer you multiple carriers, and, more importantly, that it allow you to bring in your own providers if you want to. The decision on whether to insource or outsource your computer room or data centre can be difficult, but here at Mixolv we can help you.